Hey guys, it's Patti Allred here. I wanted to come and tell you about a program that I looked at a while back, and it's something that I have done and I've made money with, and I actually love doing this, and it's something that anybody can really do. It does take time, but it's actually fun, and you can make it easy, you can make it hard, or you can do whatever however you want to do it. But I have a mentor, someone that I've worked with for a good while now, and she has a really good training on this, and I wanted to share it with you, and I'll put it in the description below where you can go check it out. But it is something that you can use and work it around your schedule, or you can just do it all the time. It's totally up to you. But what I really liked about this course is that it doesn't just narrow in on one stream of the social media that you can work with. It hits all of them. Etsy, Amazon, eBay, Facebook, how to advertise, design ideas, tools that you'll need, shows you apps that you can use, it helps you make it easy, and also hits on how you can source it out, part of it out, if you want to go that route. So hey, it's an awesome way to make money online. You're not having meetings, hotel rooms, you're not doing home parties, which we can't do right now anyway, and no three-way calls, no Zooms you have to do. It's something that these videos are going to teach you, and you just watch them and take notes. The way I like to do it is I like to go all the way through the program. I've taken notes, and then I start over, and then I go through it and implement what I'm learning. That way, well, you may can catch it a little faster than I do, but that's the way I do it. Again, I'll put it in the description below where you can go check it out. But it is with my girl Keisha. She's amazing. She has been doing this for years, and she puts it out there. She gives it to us. It's not free, so if you're looking for free, this one's not for you. But check it out. Also, I would appreciate it if you would like this video. If you know someone that'd be interested in this, share it with them. Also, please subscribe to my channel, and I am going to be coming back. I've been working really hard on something I'm going to be bringing out to you guys to help make your life easier. And if you're looking to make money online, I'm going to help with that even more. I've got lots of things that I'm going to be bringing out. Just like I've mentioned before, I don't want to bombard you with them, because a confused mind does nothing. And that's what I did for several years. I was so confused. I didn't know what I was doing, which way I was going, which way I was turning. And I'm really so thankful that I finally got laser focused on what I'm doing. Okay, guys, hit the subscribe button, please. Hit the like button. And click the little bell if you want to see when I come back with more information. But go to the description below. Check out the information. I will put in my recommended couple of different programs that I've used. I'll put them in there, but check them out. But look, most of all, I want you to make it a great day, because 2020 has been a year like none of us we've ever experienced. But you know what? It's going to be a great one. I know it is. If the sad thing would be if we come out of this the same as when we went in. Let's come out better. We can. All right, guys, I love you. It's Patti Allred. I'll talk to you soon. And go back and check out my other videos so you can see the information that I gave in those. Love you guys. See you later.